This is a recipe I call protein eggs. It now contains eggs plus 2 spice mixes. The first one is one I buy. It kind of looks like this, but it's kind of still just a leftover. Then I make my own spice mix with salt, but also other things like paprika, and I have all the spices in there which I also otherwise would consume, but also some spices for some purposes. Then the main ingredient that provides the protein is this vegan protein powder. This costs around 37 euros to maybe 42 euros per 2.5 kilograms, which is also significantly cheaper compared to meal replacement shakes, for example. And then I have this plus the eggs. I first fry the eggs, and then once I have some consistency, which you are still seeing, I add as much protein powder as I see fit, and then I let it cook a little longer. The reason I have it in a pot is because I don't have a frying pan, because I try to avoid making pancakes